Welcome to homeschool. Learn about penguins. Let's start. Hey there, friends. Welcome back to Homeschool Hub. Today, we're going to waddle into the world of one of the coolest creatures on Earth, the penguin. Penguin, are you ready to slide into some fun facts and icy adventures? Let's go. Penguins are fascinating birds, and guess what? They can't fly like most birds do. Instead, they have flippers that help them swim incredibly well. Most penguins live in the southern hemisphere, with a huge number of them chilling in Antarctica. There are about 18 different species of penguins, and they come in all sizes. The largest is the emperor penguin, standing nearly 4 feet tall, while the smallest is the little blue penguin, which is only about as tall as a ruler. Penguins are like torpedoes in the water. They can swim up to 25 miles per hour. They dive into the ocean to catch their food, which includes fish, squid, and krill. Watch how they zip and zoom underwater. One of the coolest things about penguins is how they survive the cold. In places like Antarctica, temperatures can drop super low, but penguins keep warm by huddling together in large groups. This helps them share warmth and protect each other from the icy winds. Baby penguins are called chicks, and they are born with fluffy feathers that help keep them warm. Penguin parents are very caring. Both mom and dad take turns keeping the eggs warm and then feeding the chicks once they hatch. While penguins are super fun to learn about, they need our help. Their homes are affected by climate change, and their food sources are becoming harder to find due to the warming of the oceans. That's why it's important for us to take care of our planet. Thanks for joining us today at Homeschool Hub to learn all about penguins. If you loved discovering about these amazing birds, remember to like, subscribe, and click that bell for more fun facts and cool lessons.